Hi everyone, let's make fridge magnet. We need M-seal, mix it well and make any shape you want for your fridge magnet. I'll make these things. Use loose powder to prevent the clay from sticking. Cut the shape with cutter. Use water to smooth the edges. Make all the detail and leave it for dry. After drying, apply gesso. Also make fridge magnet from super clay. Then I will paint everything. This is very satisfying process. And then we will take magnets and stick them on back all of these. Applying varnish on it and our fridge magnets are ready. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.